I'm connecting the heavy shackle to the rusted frame. It's secure now, there's tension on the line, the winch is pulling, and the car's moving through the mud.
Looks like the carburetor's completely rusted through.
Yeah, we'll definitely need to replace that. What about the pistons?
Hard to tell yet, but they don't look great.
Decades of neglect have left their mark. This engine, once the heart of a powerful machine, is now a portrait of decay.
All right, time to tackle this mess. This seat needs some serious work. Layers of history here. We'll get it clean.
In this vast garage, surrounded by tools and equipment, sits a legend, a vintage Corvette, untouched by time except for the relentless. In the quiet of the garage, the restoration begins. This classic awaits its rebirth.
All right, easy does it. Just a little more. Okay, it's clearing. Take it down slowly. Coming down now, almost there, and contact. Good job. This engine's seen better days, but with some elbow grease, we'll get it running like new. Keep going just a bit more. Okay, got it, perfect.
The ring compressors are off, and now we're going to slowly install the piston into the cylinder bore. This is a crucial step to ensure proper fit.
The key to a flawless finish is consistent speed and overlap. Keep the nozzle about 6 inches away and maintain a steady hand for an even coat.
The upper control arm features these red polyurethane bushings, a critical upgrade. We're going to line up these bushings with the frame mounts and install the hardware, just like this. All right, gently seating the copper line now. It needs to run parallel to this section here, pressing it down carefully against the You want to make sure the surface is always wet. Keep your strokes consistent and even to avoid creating low spots. Check your progress frequently. Welcome back. Today we're preparing a classic white muscle car for a fresh coat. Notice the pristine masking protecting the finish. All right, so we're laying down the fine line tape over the mask. You want to make sure you press this down really well to get that sharp edge. The perfect peel, slowly pulling back the masking to reveal the deep red racing stripe gloss. Boatly ply. The infrared lights are crucial for curing the paint evenly.
The heart of this build, the engine, sits perfectly on the chassis, ready for the next stage.
All right, time to install the instrument panel. Careful now, don't scratch anything. There, perfect fit. Now that's satisfying.
The feel of this wood against my hand, it's just unmatched. Hear that leather? This is pure craftsmanship. Notice the fine grain of the wooden steering wheel. Feel the supple rib texture of the leather seats. It's the little things that make it perfect.
All right, pressing the rubber seal into the channel now. Carefully align the top edge with the existing gasket. Feel for a tense. Applying the windshield sealant requires a steady hand and precise pressure to ensure a watertight bond and a clean finish. Take your time. All right, fit's looking perfect. Just a gentle push now. Okay, give it a wiggle, make sure it's secure, solid. Next one.
The Mach 5, a symbol of speed and legacy, now precisely placed where it belongs.
Welcome to the garage. Today, we're taking out a classic. Listen to that engine hum.
The polisher is gliding effortlessly, bringing out a showroom shine on this beautiful white paint.
All right, time for a little drive. Engine's awake now. Just a flip of the switch, and we're ready.
This immaculate V8 engine represents the pinnacle of vintage American automotive engineering. The polished, the ultimate expression of speed and style. The iconic design, the roaring engine,
The rumble of the engine, the wind in my hair, and the endless horizon of the Pacific. This is the perfect drive.
the Mach 5, reaching maximum velocity along the Pacific coast. Speed Racer drives for destiny. Notice the fine texture of this beautiful driving glove. Listen to the softness as I press these buttons. The feel is impeccable. We take pride in these details. As the golden sun dips below the horizon, casting vibrant hues across the sky, this sleek machine rests on the